check for advanced restart button. It's available in this ROM. You can see here directly I am booting into recovery using that. If you don't have that, you can press the volume up button and power button simultaneously in order to boot into recovery. I am using here TWRP, latest recovery for Poco X3. Use this same, and dedicated video has been made for that particular TWRP, how to flash it over a previous version of any recovery, custom recovery. You can see here this is the version 3.6.0 11.2 Surya. Once it's booted into recovery, go to wipe section and select here advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. That has been done. Go to home section again and select install and select the micro SD card, and wherever you download the ROM zip file, firmware and GApps, go to there. First flash the firmware 12.5.5.0 Surya Global, flash it. After that, again go to home section here and select install and select the ROM zip file. In this video I am going to show you this ArrowOS 12.1 latest build available for Poco X3. You can see here this is the May 12th build with May security patch with Android version 12. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. And there are two versions of the ROMs, Vanilla OS and GApps variant. Recommended is GApps only. Once that has been flashed, go to home section again and select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Again go to home section, select reboot and select the system. This is how the flashing method of ArrowOS 12.1 with May security patch and May 12th build for Poco X3. Follow the same method, use the same recovery, use the same firmware, use the same zip file. You will never face any problem. Follow the same method, and it's here booting into ArrowOS. In this video I am going to explain everything in detail regarding this particular ROM. How is the BGMI gameplay, especially in SANOC and even TDM, and how is the battery life, will it support 33-watt charger or not, will it support Gcam or not. Everything will be explained in detail. Stay tuned till the end of the video and let's begin this video. Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You are watching Sampath SamFX YouTube channel. This is Poco X3 custom ROM reviews, ArrowOS 12.1 GApps variant. It recognizes kernel. You can use it for Surya also. My device is Surya Indian variant, and kernel used here is 4.1.4.267 Arrow kernel has been used. The latest build, this is May 12th. You can see here. And I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 5 minutes. You can see here 152 is the maximum, average is 132, and the minimum is 97 million ZIPS, and it's throttled to 85% of its max performance. It's fine enough. There is throttling going on. You can directly notice it in the CPU throttling test app. Not just that, let's see the benchmark results. As you can see, the Antutu benchmark results are 3,50,997, and temperature raise was 2.2 degrees Celsius, and battery drop was just 2%. That's really good. This is very good power efficient ROM, but there is a little bit of overheating or like that is going on, but anyhow this is very good score still. And this the Geekbench scores here. You get single score as 541 and multi score is 1555, and the kernel used here is Linux 4.14267 Arrow kernel, as I said before. And let's say into dialer here. As you can see, this is a dialer. You get direct video call feature in this particular ROM, ArrowOS 12.1, and even the call recording is there, but it will notify that the other person you are recording the call. That's how this ROM is. And this quick settings panel, you get under 12.1 style, dark theme, everything is working fine, and you get these kind of options, power button. If you want to edit, you have some more options, you can see on the screen here. That's how it is. And coming to DRM info, in this particular ArrowOS 12.1 on Poco X3 NFC or Surya kernel, whatever it is, L1, you can watch all the OTT application in HD resolution. That's not the problem here. Regarding safety net status, let me test off. Obviously it will get passed. As you can see, it get passed. You can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, anything if you want to use, you can use this in the ROM. It's going to working fine, no problem regarding that also. And WhatsApp is also working fine, no problem. And the camera application, I have installed this ArrowOS build Gcam. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports. no NX camera support as of now for Poco XC and 12 based ROMs especially. Android 11 you get plenty of options. By default you get Google Go camera. For basic things you can use this. If you want something advanced, then only you can try this Gcam ports. Plenty are available for Poco X, but this one, the Arrow build one, is working with ultra wide angle also. That's really cool thing. And let's move into settings. Before that you get this kind of gallery application here. It's a routine ArrowOS, nothing change here. You can see here this is the settings. It's smooth enough, but definitely not the greatest here. And default apps you can change from here, and quick step launcher has been installed as a pre-installed home launcher. You get battery and battery usage. You can see here 1 hour 23 minutes. It's pretty good considering it's an power efficient ROM. You can see here it's exactly same as Pixel experience, no customization whatsoever. You get plain stock Android experience here also. Even lighter I can say compared to Pixel experience. It's even lighter, and fingerprint unlock, and there is no face unlock. Encryption and credentials, you get encrypted ROM. Let me show you the fingerprint scanner here. As you can see, it's fast enough to unlock. Not the quickest, it taking half a second to unlock your smartphone in this particular ROM. Maybe the previous builds have very good unlocking speeds. I don't know. If you know it, comment down in the comment section below. And that's all guys. Here nothing, location and Google Maps, everything is working fine. Accessibility menu is also working fine. It's an handy feature to use without using the actual buttons. You can toggle between them. That's how it is. And let's move into BGMI, how it handles. Let's check out. Coming to graphics settings in this particular ROM, you get just smooth plus ultra here. Nothing great like smooth plus 90 fps what we have seen in the previous ROM like Sierra Droid and Karos OS and Cherish OS, Evolution X, Ancient OS. They all come with 60 fps and 90 fps options, but this one stuck at 40 fps still. But many people use this ROM for basic purpose, not as a gaming ROM. And by the way, for first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. If you like the video, give it a like. I will get motivated to make similar kind of videos. As you can see, I am making every video. I am making this bootcamp video. People like it more, hence I am continuing this. There is no option to see the real-time FPS count here, so I can't show you. Loudness is also not up to that level what we seen in some other ROMs for Poco X3. This ArrowOS is like a stable ROM, but only for day-to-day usage, not for gaming. You can see here. Let me get some guns. I hope so. As you can see, it was too much laggy. Again, set to same graphic settings here also. As you can see, smooth plus ultra. You won't get any high FPS count. It's still playable for some kind of people, like TDM. You can still play. Basic games you can try. I don't recommend for BGMI especially. Even Call of Duty also I don't think so it will. As you can see, 40 versus 60, 60 will be the win always. I'll come back here. I don't recommend for gaming this ROM. And let me show you the charging animation. Will it support 33 watt charger or not? You can see here it's showing charging rapidly, hence you can use the normal 33 watt charger also. If you want to slow charge, you can use 10 watt also. It's also working fine, no problem regarding this. And this is the ArrowOS 12.1 based on Android 12 with latest security patch and the latest build. It's available for Poco X3. The coming to verdict is it's simple ROM. lighter ROM considering even pixel experience also. This one ArrowOS is very light ROM to use. You can definitely have it as a daily driver. If you're looking for simple ROM without any customization, then you can have a look on this particular ROM. And let's meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.